The Hereafter 26. I had a thought which I wanted to share. One of the main reasons the worship of false deities is common in society is due to the underlying intention of absolving oneself of being held accountable for their actions. The non-Muslims of Mecca, during the time of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, claimed that they worshipped idols in order to draw closer to Allah, the Exalted, as their idols represented different sacred beings, such as angels, which were close and beloved to Allah, the Exalted. By worshipping them, they incorrectly believed the idols would intercede on their behalf on Judgment Day in the court of Allah, the Exalted, thereby rescuing them from being held accountable for their actions. In their eyes, this was a free ticket to do whatever they pleased, as they would not be held accountable for their actions because of this intercession. Chapter 10 Yunus, verse 18.
And they worship other than Allah that which neither harms them nor benefits them, and they say, These are our intercessors with Allah.
And chapter 39 Az-Zumar, verse 3.
And those who take protectors besides him say, We only worship them that they may bring us nearer to Allah in position. Indeed, Allah will judge between them concerning that over which they differ. Indeed, Allah does not guide he who is a liar.
Unfortunately, a similar attitude has crept into the minds of some Muslims who adopt a similar belief whereby they attempt to find someone who is considered holy and close to Allah, the Exalted, and strive to please him through pleasing them, through gifts, presents, and in some cases, showing them an unhealthy level of respect and reverence. Their aim is to get these holy people to intercede for them in the court of Allah, the Exalted, in this world and in the hereafter. Even though supplicating for others is lawful, and intercession on Judgment Day on behalf of the believers is an established fact, yet this does not mean one is absolved from being held accountable for their actions. Thinking otherwise is only making a mockery out of these realities. This incorrect belief has driven many Muslims to adopt wishful thinking, whereby they believe they can openly and persistently disobey Allah, the Exalted, yet will escape any type of accountability through the intercession of these holy people. If this was true, the companions, may Allah be pleased them, had the supplications and aid of the holiest man of all, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, yet they constantly feared their accountability and therefore persisted in the sincere obedience of Allah, the Exalted, which involves using the blessings one has been granted in ways pleasing to him, as outlined in the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Instead of attempting to find a way out of one's inevitable accountability, they should instead strive to prepare for it by fulfilling the commands of Allah, the Exalted, refraining from his prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Otherwise they may well encounter a strict and difficult accountability on a great day.